Research is defined as a systematic investigation designed to develop generalizable knowledge, aiming to extend human knowledge across the physical, biological, or social world. A key difference in research is the use of a systematic process called the scientific method. The scientific method follows a cyclical process, starting with observations and questions. This leads to literature search, hypothesis development, and experimentation. The cycle continues with collecting data, reaching conclusions, sharing results, and developing interventions, which often leads to asking new questions. The scientific method has 4 core steps. Step 1 is observation, observing the world around you. Step 2 is hypothesis, creating an informed prediction. Step 3 is experimentation, testing the hypothesis through research. Finally, Step 4 is analysis, examining results in relation to the world. A hypothesis acts as a map for research. It focuses the study's scope by identifying important factors. Hayek explains causal relationships, showing the effects of manipulations. Crucially, it guides data interpretation, helping researchers reach sound conclusions. Protecting research subjects is paramount. Research has a diverse scope, including humans, animals, plants, and inorganic matter. Regulatory compliance mandates that human and animal research strictly follow U.S. federal government rules. The ethical core requires treating all subjects with dignity and ensuring minimal harm. The research protocol is essential. The principal investigator, or PI, is the experienced researcher leading the study. The protocol designed the formal research plan developed by the PI. The protocol ensures scientific importance, making sure results are valid, useful, and credible. This video will focus on the necessity of research as part of a research methodology overview. Our learning objectives are to define research and understand its importance. We will identify its applications across fields and discuss its impact on societal, technological, and economic development. Research involves scientific inquiry, a systematic investigation to establish facts. It aims for knowledge discovery, seeking new knowledge, or verifying existing facts. The core steps include identifying the problem, data collection, and analysis and conclusion. We need research to gain new knowledge and systematically expand human understanding. It helps solve real-world problems by identifying root causes and developing practical solutions. Research also improves systems and supports objective decision-making. The need for knowledge expansion involves discovering and expanding facts and theories. It helps us stay current by continuously updating information in a rapidly changing world. In practice, this leads to advancements, such as medical breakthroughs that save lives. Research is vital for problem solving. It identifies root causes through deep analysis of complex issues. It provides practical solutions and has broad application, crucial for advancements in sectors like health, education, and the environment. In decision-making, research provides reliable data for accuracy and trust. It reduces uncertainty through analytical frameworks. This leads to informed choices, for example, market research empowering strategic business decisions based on evidence. Research drives the advancement of science and technology. It leads to innovation, paving the way for creative and groundbreaking ideas. It aids in developing new tools and medicines for global health. Modern examples, like AI and robotics, demonstrate its practical power. Research contributes to social development by improving the quality of life, focusing on better living standards and opportunities. It addresses critical social issues, working to mitigate poverty, education gaps, and pervasive health challenges across communities. Research is important for business and industry growth. It helps to understand customer needs by analyzing consumer behavior and tailoring solutions. It also improves products and services through continuous refinement, which ultimately helps to increase profits by optimizing operational efficiency. In terms of policy and planning, research helps governments form effective policies based on evidence. It supports program planning by strategically planning development programs. Additionally, it aids in resource allocation by efficiently distributing resources to maximize impact and reach objectives. Research holds great academic importance. It builds critical thinking skills, enabling the ability to question and synthesize information. It enhances analytical skills to derive logical, data-driven solutions. Furthermore, it is crucial for higher studies and specialized research pursuits. Research is essential for the validation of existing knowledge. It confirms findings by validating earlier research outcomes, updates information to reflect current trends, and ensures accuracy through rigorous cross-verification processes. For innovation and creativity, research encourages new ideas by fostering an environment where fresh perspectives can flourish. This systematic investigation often leads to inventions and the creation of new startups. Without research, there are significant risks, including poor decisions based on assumptions and resource wastage from inefficient allocation. There is also a risk of misinformation and slow progress due to relying on trial and error. To recap the key points, Research leads to knowledge growth, helps solve problems, supports decision-making, and is important in all fields of study. In conclusion, research is the foundation of progress. It continuously improves life and technology and is essential for ongoing development across all sectors. Consider the following discussion questions. Can development truly happen without research? How does research impact daily life? And can you think of an example of research solving a complex problem?